Hey guys, I'm Tom.
I'm Vicky.
We're the Carolina Travel Channel, and we are here, and I can't say this word. Waxhaw. Anyways, we've been riding around. We've seen this museum, so we wanted to stop in here and check it out. It's called Natural Life Museum here in right out of Charlotte, North Carolina. And we've seen this place. We was going to come here, but it's closed. It's a museum. What was it called? The Natural
Living Museum.
Natural Living Museum. Anyways, we stopped and seen these old buildings. We're just going to walk around here and do a quick little view of these buildings for y'all. Come on.
Blacksmith shop.
Blacksmith. They even got an oven.
Pizza oven.
They had pizza back then?
They had something over back then. That's a bread oven.
There is on these too. In the other videos on some of these old log cabins, how they did the ceiling, the roof, where they put the tile pieces, the wood pieces up above on one side. A wagon? What is that? That's boards.
I'd like to have some of that wood.
What is that? It's to cut something with. Is that a planer? No. It's got blades on it though. That big old thing by belt turned. It's gonna turn this. I'm not sure. Anybody knows what that is? Let me put it in the comments. 'Cause look, it's like a planer kinda. It turns. I don't know what it is. Or what was its purpose? Huh. Pretty neat.
Sims barn.
The what? Sims. Whoa, hole there. Smokehouse?
Is the smokehouse.
Is that where they like stored some wood? Spring house. That's where their spring is. That's where their spring is. Spring house. I guess that's where they live in the spring. That was a joke. Come on. Yeah, it's a spring house. Where the spring come down, they made them a little spring so the water comes down in here. Holy smoke! Oh, give it! Did I scare you?
No, you didn't.
I did too.
Well, I don't know.
Huh? Well, there it goes right there. So the museum's up there, but they're only open on Friday and Saturdays. Cool looking old cabin. That's an odd lamp or candle holder.
Okay.
There's a garden. What they got over here? Huh. There's their cellar. Oh, looks like they replaced that door with that door.
I think they worked on it.
Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate you.